So this is my first time playing Baldi's Basics. Yes. This is my first time playing Baldi's Basics. It's also nice. Okay, I know. So here is Baldi. Warning, in case you haven't figured out yet, this game is intended to be a horror game. As such, it has some things that might scare players, and it is generally pretty spooky. I'm not spooked. Well, at least it's supposed to be. If you downloaded this thinking it would be great edutainment for your kid or something, don't let them play it, unless of course they enjoy horror games. I enjoy horror games.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
That's you.
Hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Yeah, okay. So, we need 0 out of 7
Now
notes.
it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions
3 minus 7.
correctly, and you might get something special.
I've been
Problem
already
1.
recording for
3
1.5
minus 7 equals...
Don't tell me the answer, don't. I know it, I can know it. 3 minus 7 is -5, right? Oh, sorry dude, I didn't know. Is it 1? What do you mean? Is it -1? I hear math that bad. Dude, what is going on? Baldi's Basics going crazy. Are those some claps for... Is that his ruler? Four minus 8. 4. 2. 7 plus 8. 17. What the fuck is that? I don't... What in the Jesus Christ is this? What in the Jesus Christ is this question? It's impossible. Is he faster? Blood doesn't know where I am. I'm hiding. Oh my! Is that scissors? Dude, this is so funny.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and... Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Okay, I got it. Can I...
You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
First time Baldi did not... Yes, they should be easy.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
Dude! What? Stupid Baldi. I hear every door you open. Silly Baldi. You can't. Six minus 5, 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. What in the Jesus Christ even is that? Okay, let's try a Baldi's Basics secret. I can't. What?
6 years we've spent with this dude, and he's still hiding secrets from us. Let's do some investigating.
Yeah, I I need to do some investigating. Screw it, I'm just gonna jump scare myself. Is that a tank? Oh, goodness, I gotta eat.
Welcome to baldi.
Sanya, mama. I need to do something.
Hello, everybody. I'm Kindly Kid, and welcome back to Baldi's Basics. We are digging into secrets today. There are so many secrets, and apparently, full shiny head of yours. 718.
31718.
Basics in
31718.
education and learning. That's me. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
We're doing it after the impossible one.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
What am I doing?
Answer the three.
Whatever. No, what did he... 31718. 31718. 31718. Doing 31718. Don't lose this yet, Gray. 31718. 31718. 31718. 31718. Face place. It's face place. 31718. I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! Oh, I knew it, guys! It's literally face place now. And they keep chasing me. Welp, goodbye.